You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from Harry Potter or Harry Potter. For more character names from Harry Potter, make sure to stay tuned. In French, it definitely looks like a French name. It's said as Fleur Delacour, Fleur Delacour, but in English, Fleur Delacour, Fleur Delacour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.